Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close look at the Brabantia Make and Take Cutlery set. So let's go ahead and take a look. So in this box is the Brabantia Make and Take Cutlery set, comprising of 3 eating utensils, of a knife, fork and spoon, and just taking a look at the details of the box packaging and the product information on the product label. So it comes with 5 years warranty and it is dishwasher safe. And this one is in dark grey. It's also available in lilac pink. And the dimensions of this outer box for this Make and Take Cutlery set is 18.5 centimeters across, 2.1 centimeters tall or thick, and 4.5 centimeters deep. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding off the outer box sleeve and just setting that to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at this Brabantia Make and Take Cutlery set of 3 eating utensils. Now giving you an overall look, and of course resting the box in my hand and gripping or holding it as well to give you some sense of its size. So once again, 18.5 centimeters long is the external or maximum dimensions of this Brabantia Make and Take Cutlery set. So now giving you a much closer in look at the details of the box. So it is made out of plastic. You can see the Brabantia branding stamped or molded into the box lid design, and of course giving you an overall look at this Make and Take Cutlery set in the dark grey colour. And as I mentioned earlier, it is also produced in a lilac pink. And just giving you a look at the details on the underside of the box as well. Love to reuse. And the box is recyclable. Okay, now let's go ahead and open it up. So we're just going to pop the lid off. So just snapping the lid off and giving you a look at the set as it is with the lid removed. So the Brabantia Make and Take Cutlery set in dark grey, and just giving you that direct look inside of the box, and now giving you a much closer in look at the details of the 3-piece cutlery set that's inside. You can see the overall details as it is, just resting in the box, and of course the underside of the box lid, which is also recyclable. So relax and enjoy is the script on the underside with the recycle symbol as well. So now giving you a look at the cutlery set up close before I start handling them. So you can see that it does have a satin brushed finish and Brabantia branding as well. So right there, giving you an overall look at the details. Okay, now let's go ahead and remove the 3-piece cutlery set or eating utensils from the box. And I'm just going to set them down on the tabletop. And of course giving you a look at the rest of the box packaging or the travel box or utensil carrier as it is. We can see the overall design and to give you some sense of its sturdiness or flexibility and structure, just squeezing on the sides and just lightly twisting it and bending it. So there is some rigidity to that design. And in terms of the lid as well, just giving you a look at that overall plastic construction and closure of the carrier or box for this make and take cutlery set. Now giving you a look at the three pieces of cutlery: the spoon, fork and knife, and all Brabantia branded, as we can see, along the handle. So let's try and get some focus there. So we can see the Brabantia branding throughout, and just how light plays along its surface for the utensils. So we do have the fork, the knife, as well as the spoon. So giving you that overall look and the details side by side as you can see them in the middle of the frame. And now giving you a much closer in look at the utensils individually. So starting with the fork, we can see the fork's design with the spacing of the tines and the curve, as well as the finishing of the tips and overall design of this fork from the three-piece set. So I'm just going to set the fork down to the side now and moving right along to the knife. So this time around with the knife, and of course up close as well, as we achieve focus on the knife's design. You can see with the blade very finely serrated right there, and with a rounded point or tip, and of course the spine as well to give you some sense of its thickness, and as well as the handle design right there. So we can see once again that Brabantia design throughout, and of course that rounded edge at the back or tip of the handle. Okay, and moving right along to the last of the three-piece set, the spoon. So giving you a look at the spoon once again with that Brabantia branding on the handle, and of course we can see that oval shaped bowl and its curvature as well. And further out for a bit more perspective right there, and a straight on or head on view as well to give you some sense once again of its design. Okay, so that's the three-piece set. So I'm going to give you a final look up close of this Brabantia make and take cutlery set. So you can see the utensils up close and their overall design and finish. Okay, and of course giving you a sense of the stainless steel which they're made out of. So the set once again comprises of these 3 utensils, and let me just pick up the knife. And let's place them back in the box. So just popping the box back open. So with a kind of snap finish, as you can see, the protrusion on both ends of the box. And placing the cutlery set. Into the box. And once again, to open, pulling it apart from either ends. And we can see, once again, the 3-piece cutlery set. So that's the Brabantia Make and Take cutlery set. Thanks for watching and happy eating!